gotta have that strapped, because you'll know fucking bitches be coming up. You gotta stay the fuck back.
There we go. What the fuck did you just hit?
The metal piece I put up.
That's it.
10, 20, 30. At least 30 points. Bullseyes are those.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It ain't that bad, but got 10, 20, 30. At least 30 points. Bullseyes are those. 20, 15, 10, 5. So plus a 5. Now we count it as a 5 too. So 30, 35 points. I'll do a part 2.
So, round 2, 35. 10, 20, 30, 30. Hit that 5 up there. It counts as 5. I don't know what to count that as yet, but part 2 will be coming up soon, so 35. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notifications. Don't forget. Holy shit.
The metal piece I put up.